Looking to cool down this summer? There is no question air conditioning is a big investment, but we're here to help with our instant quote form. Get started by telling us the type of house you own and your square footage. This will make sure we select the right sized AC unit for your home. The bigger your home or the more sun you get, the larger the air conditioner you will need. You will have other choices to make. Our AC InstaQuote system will provide 3 options: good, better, and best. As a rule, more expensive air conditioners offer a more comprehensive warranty, a higher energy efficiency rating, and will be quieter. Feel free to select a model that works best for your budget and your needs. Then select your install date by making a $500 deposit. Finally, we have some great finance options available and an easy online application. Excited for your AC installation day? Here's what you need to know. Before your install date, a First Call team member will do a quick house measurement to make sure we've selected the right air conditioner for your home. This is a quick 15-minute appointment. On install day, please clear your furnace room so our team can do their work. We love your furry friends, but please put them in a quiet place so we don't disturb them. Install will take between 4 and 6 hours. We need you to be home at the beginning and at the end of the appointment to show you how to use your awesome new AC. And that's it. Those are the steps to finding air conditioning bliss with First Call Heating.